first, on my TLC plate, I placed a pencil line 1 centimeter from the bottom of the plate. I made 6 individual pencil dots equally distributed across the bottom of the plate, and I dropped solvents on each dot. I want to put my last unknown on the last dot. Now I have to put it inside of the beaker. It's a 600 milliliter beaker, and the water is not above the centimeter line. I then put plastic covering on top and secure it with a rubber band. Okay, so I have my dot. I drew my 1 centimeter line on my TLC paper, and I dotted it with my unknown. I'm going to place it in a 600 milliliter beaker so that it doesn't bend. And then I'm going to add solvent. My solvent is distilled water, making sure that it doesn't go over the 1 centimeter line. And then I'm going to cover it with plastic wrap. Chromatography is the separation of a mixture by passing it in a solvent. It is the most widely used analytical tool for separating a mixture and its components. I have retrieved the TLC plate from the beaker. I indicate that this is my 1 centimeter line that I marked before, and these are all my samples. This is my solvent line because it's where the solvent stopped increasing. So I'll use the second sample, and I'll measure the distance from the middle of the sample to the 1 centimeter line. It is about 1.6 centimeters. I'll measure from the solvent line to the 1 centimeter line, and it's about 4.3 centimeters. So to find my RF, I'll put the distance traveled by the sample over the distance traveled by the solvent. And when I divide that out, I'll know what my RF is. It is 0.3721. Okay, so I'm taking my TLC plate out of my beaker, and I'm going to measure the distance traveled by the solvent first. Okay, so you start from the 1 centimeter line that I've already marked, and you go to the top. Looks like it's 6.6 centimeters. That goes on the bottom because it's the distance traveled by the solvent. And then you measure the distance in the middle of your dot from the 1 centimeter line. And it's about 0.2 centimeters. So that goes on the top. And then you use a calculator to divide. Excuse me, can we use... And then that's your RF value for that.